Hi guys, welcome to part 3 of the Heikin Ashi series of videos. If you haven't seen part 2, you'll be able to see it on the link at the end of this video and the initial part 1. Again, this will be the end of the video. Today is how to manage breakouts using Heikin Ashi bars. So without further ado, let's come on. I will take you and show you the video. Cheers. Welcome to part 3. Breakouts. Markets don't always go up and down between 1 hour and 4 hour resistances. You sometimes get a breakaway or a breakout. And the last video looked at hitting support and resistances. What we're going to do now is show you the power of Heikin Ashi candles for breakouts. And in addition to that, we're going to show not just Heikin Ashi trading on breakouts, how to use Heikin Ashi with a fractal on a breakout, so you get double bubble on part 3. So let's have a look at what we're going to do here. So here is the market quite clearly has been going sideways, up and down for quite a while. And then we have a breakout. The market breaks out to the top side. This is UK FTSE. And what we need to do is to be able to draw a support line, which is an oblique line, to identify the breakout. The market quite clearly has broken out up here and the market starts to trend to the top side. So how do we then monitor and take advantage of a market progressing on a particular breakout? So what we can look for here is all markets move in phases or waves. Only one or two either go up or they go down. And they either run in a wave or a phase. So if you call it a wave, it's a wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on and so forth, all the way up to a large phase 1 showing the aggression of the market really, really increasing. And that's indicated by the size of the bars. So this is either a wave 1, pullback 2, or a phase 1 and phase 2. Markets only run in 2 waves or 2 phases at any time frame at any time. Okay, so what we're looking at here, we've drawn a resistance or an oblique support line. So what we're looking for, and we've got the 9 EMA here. What we're looking for here is for the market, it's going sideways. We've got a first breakout. We're waiting for the market to pull back into what is potentially some support. You're drawing some support there, and then you extend this support for the future. Again, here you don't know what's going to happen in the future, but if the market continues into this phase wave, it's quite likely to come back down towards this resistance line. And if it doesn't quite meet this resistance line, then the breakout is getting stronger and the price action is getting stronger to the top. But let's concentrate on this, the simplified version. Everything can be more complicated if you make it, but for illustration purposes, I'll show you how to use this on a breakaway and breakout strategy. So market comes back and we can identify a 15-minute bar here. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for the market to come down. You've got a bar here on a green Heikin Ashi. Another little tip, in Heikin Ashi candles, you only need to read these in 3 ways. It's either a red candle, it's a green candle, or it's an indecision candle. An indecision candle is illustrated by a very, very small body with a high test and a low test. Do not trade on an indecision candle. You need something with a bit of body, more than a couple of pips, in which to make your decision. So this is a no trade indecision candle, and then the market again come down to test this level. If you want to do a 1-to-1, and I always generally recommend we do, you take a break of this green Heikin Ashi candle, and ideally, as an extra confirmation, you want the close above the 9 EMA. So that's the first trade there, boom. And then if you look, the market didn't quite come back. So for this illustration, we're going to ignore that. Market came back, had a retest very close down here. We had a Heikin Ashi candle here, another Heikin Ashi candle here that meets the criteria. It closed above the 9 EMA, so we take that trade there, another break there, boom, stop under the swing low. Market come back again, and there is another trade there, stop under the swing low. You probably wouldn't have taken that candle, and for the simple reason you're already at risk on this candle. So you need to decide on your trading whether you're going to risk 1% on your overall trades, or you're going to have a 2% risk or a 3% risk. I would never recommend more than 1% for any individual trade, but this illustration here, if you had this breakout here, then you wouldn't take this second trade. That's for sure. If you wanted the confirmation for the market to come all the way to the bottom, then again, you would not have took that trade. You would have took this trade here, and it come back down to this projected resistance line here. And then you take that trade and you're on your way. So that's how you would look at a breakaway trade or a breakout trade using, again, a 15-minute bar, but a 15-minute bar Heikin Ashi candle that actually closes above the 9 EMA. So hopefully that was very helpful to you there. I did say there'd be a bit of a bonus here, and the other bonus is not only on a breakaway, trying to hit the breakouts on the pullbacks. So we use Heikin Ashi candles, as you know, in the room. Here's the Heikin Ashi candles. And if you're going to do Heikin Ashi breakouts using fractals as well, you've got your support here. And what you would do with your fractal breakouts, and you can use this on any charting package. I'm using Pro Real Time, but it works in anything. We've got fractal indicators that you can get off my website for TradingView as well as Pro Real Time. So you can see here we've got a fractal breakout here as the market's going up, and what you're looking for is a fractal breakout. Is you're looking for the price to be trading above the 9 EMA again, and your stop is under the fractal. So there's your first trade. We are now in a breakaway situation. So if we are trading above the 9 EMA again, market's above the 9 EMA, we can take another fractal breakout here. And we're waiting for the market. You could take another fractal breakaway here if you wanted to. Markets come back, there's another fractal breakaway here, another fractal breakaway here, another fractal breakaway there, and another fractal breakaway there. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are quite a lot of opportunities using Heikin Ashi, using fractals, and identifying the breakaways as well. So very, very, very good. There are 2 ways of doing breakaways there. Many more ways of doing breakaways, as you know. But I'm just showing you what we do very, very successfully, day in, day out in my trading room. 9 EMA is your friend. Heikin Ashis are definitely your friend, and using the market to bounce back off all your resistances here, trading your resistances here, and down to here and here is really good. If you overlay that with fractal trading on breakaways, that's very good as well. So hopefully that helped. Don't forget, if you thought this was useful, please put a comment. Please like, please subscribe, and if you subscribe, then I will know that this is something very useful for you. It helps my channel, and I really appreciate it. So that's part 3. Don't forget, at the end of the video, there will be a link to the previous videos, part 2 and part 1. And I will see you on the other side, and we'll get into part 4. Part 4 is how to extend your profits once you get into a trade. So we will go into that in part 4. See you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.